The Galaxy S23 series has been available for purchase for just a little over 2 months at this point, but the rumor mill is already getting people excited about the next flagship launches from Samsung. Samsung is expected to launch a few devices like the Galaxy Fold and Flip series, the Galaxy Tab S9 series, the Galaxy Watch 6, and possibly new earbuds later this year. And we're now hearing that the Korean giant could be having its next Unpacked event earlier than expected, supporting previous rumors that indicated some of the devices could make an early debut. Also, Ice Universe, an anonymous Twitter account with a habit of accurately leaking details about unannounced smartphones, has tweeted what they claim will be the physical dimensions of Samsung's upcoming foldable, the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Perhaps the most interesting figure is its thickness while folded, which will reportedly sit at 13.4 millimeters. That's notable because the thickness of the current Z Fold 4 ranges from 14.2 millimeters to 15.8 millimeters because of the hinge gap and the angle of the screens while folded. That could make the Fold 5 both thinner and flatter than its predecessor, potentially as a result of the improved droplet-style hinge Samsung is rumored to be using. The other improved spec is weight, which is rumored to be 254 gram, 9 gram lighter than the Fold 4. Ice Universe previously shared the Fold 5's weight earlier this month. Otherwise, the Fold 5's dimensions are similar to the Fold 4, coming in at 0.2 millimeters shorter, narrower, and thinner when unfolded. Considering the Fold 5 is rumored to have the same size screens as the Fold 4, these reduced dimensions suggest it could have marginally smaller screen bezels. Aside from the improved hinge, these figures suggest we could be in for a minor update to Samsung's flagship foldable this year. Meanwhile, Samsung is looking to organize its next Galaxy Unpacked event in July 2023 instead of August. This is a bit unusual for Samsung, but considering the launch of the Google and OnePlus foldable phones, the haste could be understandable. The expected launch date could be between July 25 and July 27. With the foldable smartphone market heating up and with Google set to launch its first foldable, the Pixel Fold, it's possible Samsung doesn't want to give the competition too much breathing room, lest they end up stealing some potential customers that might have otherwise brought a Galaxy Z Fold smartphone. That is, of course, all speculation, and if we're being honest, having the next Unpacked in late July wouldn't exactly be that early, as it would only bring the date up by around 2 weeks. As far as the specific date is concerned, Samsung generally tends to announce new products in the middle of the week, so anytime between July 25 and 27 is a safe bet at this time. So what are your expectations from upcoming foldable from Samsung? Let us know it down below in the comment section, and if you enjoyed the video, then a sub to the channel will be massive, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out, equals.